You know, every now and then.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bickerstaff's Atlanta East Auto Auction on a Saturday night in Loganville, Georgia. This is our Auto Scoop, episode number 162. Look what the DealMaker brought in here. He drove it in here. A nice 12 Jeep Wrangler from Maxi Price Chevrolet, one of many. We got over 175 to choose from, and what a beauty that is. Way to go, DealMaker. We keep going forward. Before you do anything, go to the right-hand corner of the screen, hit subscribe, like, share, and comment button. We need it and we appreciate it. You can view us on our run list on AE Auto Auction. That's aeautoauction.com. We have a lot online already now, but we got many more coming on Monday. Should be all on by noon on Monday. Check us out join us on our Facebook group, Atlanta's Premier Public Auto Auction. That's Facebook group, Atlanta's Premier Public Auction. Check us out on our social media channels. We're also on all of them. Remember, it's a dealer and public auction, auto auction. So every Monday night, 3 p.m. preview, 6 p.m. sales start. So get here early. Everyone is welcome. Our phone number is 470-552-1032. That's 470-552-1032. For transportation, call that DealMaker. He's getting it done. 770-421-5725. That's 770-421-5725. 1 to 100, pick up or deliver. The DealMaker can make it happen. Live streaming, 6 p.m. on our YouTube channel. That's Atlanta East Auto Auction. 6 p.m. live streaming, Atlanta East Auto Auction. We really have a good run, so let me just tell you who we got coming. We're excited about it, DealMaker. You keep on churning and going forward, buddy, and we appreciate it. Honda South's got a great run. River Valley Chevrolet has got a good run. Jim Hudson Acura, they got a good run. Hayward Allen Motor Company, they got a good run. Hayward Allen Toyota, excited about their run. ECT Financial, they've got a good run. Kerry Paul Honda, excited about their vehicles. Loganville Ford, excited about their vehicles. Colonial GMC, Buick, Southern Nissan Cherokee. Also, Maxi Price Chevrolet, and look at this 12 model Wrangler Jeep the DealMaker drove in here. He's got two good loads. We're excited about that. Don't forget about the Atlanta dealer trades, fresh new car dealer trades, all of them. And also a great independent who's not with us tonight, Mike Bethea. We miss him, but that's Georgia Northside Auto Sales. Georgia Northside Auto Sales. He's got over 10 fully inspected, certified, ready to go. And we've seen them all tonight. They're all here, ready to go. They'll be online. You'll see them. Actually, they're on the line now, so you get to see them. So don't forget to see us on Monday night, 3 p.m. preview, 6 p.m. sales starts, and DealMaker has done it again. Thank you, DealMaker.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We're going to make it happen.
You already know, man.